Hello viewers, once again welcome to our Excel session. Today we will be discussing about another important function in Excel that is called rank function. Now before explaining the rank function, let me explain the concept of rank. You can see that we have this following worksheet and various persons have scored different scores in their performance. Someone, Mr. Deepak Mittal, has scored 83, Sanjana Viz has scored 73. Now, basis on their performance score, we want to calculate the ranking. Why this is important? In many tests, or precisely university or admission tests, we have seen that some particular university says that the first top ranks will be given some kind of scholarships. Now, it is quite natural that once their scores are announced, it is quite possible that multiple peoples can attain similar performance. For example, if we look here, we are having two same scorer. One from Mr. Vijay Kumar, one from Pooja Kumari, who have scored equal marks in their performance score. And similarly, this particular thing can happen when number of records will get increased. So at this moment, if we sort this particular thing, certainly one of these two records will come adjacently. I mean to say these two records because their marks are very much same. But if you calculate the rank, their rank should be same because they have scored equal marks. And that is why it is not, many people believe that only sorting the data in ascending order or in descending order may solve this purpose, but exactly it is not. And here is the importance of rank function in Excel. So definitely this output of rank function will clearly be understood if we entirely sort this whole data in the descending order of their performance score. Why? In the descending order, we want to display the name of the persons or his records who is the top scorer. So for example, you see that sorting requires a very careful selection of data. So I'm not using from here. I am starting selection of data from employee code because this is an expanded header. So I do not require this particular heading to be included in my data selection. So I am choosing this particular, and I'm not including the rank also because we have to evaluate. We did not write anything, any formula we have not given. And that is why our selection of data should be from employee code to this particular portion. Last, performance score. Now, definitely, I have to sort it. So what I am doing, you will find that there is a tool called data. So if I say data sorting, if I click on this data option, once the selection is my completed, I can go for sorting. I'm not choosing A to Z or Z to A. I'm choosing only this sort option where I can precisely mention which particular column, basis on which particular column I want to sort. So I'm basically choosing performance score, and that too largest to smallest. And now my data will look like this. You can see 93 being the top scorer. So Mr. John Barreto's record is coming on top. Then Lubna Ahmed, who has scored 83, Deepak Mittal 82, Now see, Vijay Kumar and Pooja Kumari is standing exactly in the continuous rows. And gradually as you go down, because we have sorted it in the descending order, so as you go down, you will find that marks are becoming low and low. Now, basis on this particular situation, I want to calculate the rank. So, as you know, any formula gets started with equals to rank function. I am applying. As you know that in Excel, every function or a formula gets started with equals to. So this equals to sign has to be given. Now you see that rank function has three parameters. First of all, number, then reference, and then order. Order can be either ascending or in descending. Now our ranking should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely the order should be ascending. So I am using this particular inside this rank function, I have to precisely mention all these three parameters. So first parameter, I am using this particular thing from where actually the data selection, or it should check what should be the ranking, comma. Then I have to reference how long this ranking should be calculated. So basically I am selecting this entire amount of range, and comma, you will find there are two parameters only acceptable in the third position. One is 0, 0 is for descending order, and another is for 1, which stands for ascending order. Now I am giving 0. Let's see what happens. So here I am putting 0 and pressing the enter key. So I am getting rank 1 because it is taking this data. It has understood that this data has to be analyzed in the descending order. And I am basically, if I straightly copy the formula, then there will be one problem. This D3 will become D4. That is not a problem. But in this range, D3 to 14, it will be D4 to D15. And if you say in D15, there is no data as such. So we have to make this particular range in the form of absolute cell referencing. So by using the shortcut, I repeat, by using the shortcut F4, we can make this range in the form of absolute cell referencing, so that even if we go down, D3 remains D3, D14 remains D14. However, I am not making any changes in D3 because actually I want D3 should become D4 in the next row, D4 should become D5 in the next row. So this is correct formula, and after that, if I copy paste, and I will be able to analyze this particular thing. Mr. Vijay Kumar and Miss Pooja Kumari both have scored 80 marks equal. So ideally their ranking is coming as 5 and 5. And because two persons are positioned in the same ranking, so next Mr. Prakash Anand, ideally if there is no repetition of ranking, his ranking would have become 6. But because there are two persons have scored same ranking, so immediately the rank function is producing the next number is coming as 7, and it is not 6. And that is the underlying concept of rank function. So you can see how easily, basis on the performance score or similar other things, we can easily find out the rank of different persons. That is how amazing Excel is. Thank you.